It was Ravi's birthday and he got a number of gifts. Now, these gifts resembled some or the other shapes. So, let's see what are the gifts he got and what are the shapes which these gifts resemble. So, he got a tiffin box. He also got a dice, a big dice. Then he got a football. And he also got a box of shuttlecocks. So, let's compare these things one by one. Now, first of all, what is the most common thing in a birthday party? A party hat, isn't it? Now, this is a party hat. But what do we call this shape? Well, this exactly resembles the shape of the party hat. And what do we call this shape? What is the name of this shape? Well, this is called a cone. Now, a cone has a flat circular bottom and then it tapers off to a pointed end. So, this is what we call a cone. Now, what are some common examples of cone? Well, we have the party hat, which is conical in shape. Then we have ice cream cone. Even ice cream cone is conical in shape and hence it's called ice cream cone. And this funnel, even this is conical in shape. As you can see, circular at one end and tapers off to give a pointed end. So, all these are examples of conical shape. Now, he also got a tiffin box. Now, tiffin box can be represented by this shape. Now, what exactly is this shape? What do we call it? Well, if you notice, it has a number of rectangular faces. So, it is made up of a number of rectangles. And we call it a cuboid. So, this is the cuboid shape. So, you can say that this tiffin box resembles a cuboid. So, the shape is cuboid. Now, what are some common examples of cuboidal shape? Well, pencil box, tiffin box, shoe box and book. All these are cuboidal in shape. As you can see, rectangular faces come together to make a cuboid. Now, another gift which he got was a dice. Now, this is the shape of dice. So, you can represent the shape of a dice with this. Now, what exactly is this shape? Well, if you notice, it is basically made up of a number of squares. So, this is one square face, this is another, and similarly, we have so many square faces. So, this particular shape has a special name. What is the name? It's called a cube. So, in the case of cube, it is made up of a number of squares. So, all the faces which you can see, all these are squares. So, different squares come together to form a cube. So, dice has a cubical shape. And some common examples other than dice are sugar cube, ice cube and such boxes. All these have cubical shape. They resemble a cube, that is a shape made up of a number of squares. Now, he also got a football. Now, we can represent shape of a football with this, isn't it? Now, what do we call this particular shape? Well, if you notice, this shape is completely round. So, from whichever angle you see, you will see a round surface. So, what do we call such a shape? Well, such a shape is called a sphere. So, a shape which is very similar to a football, that is completely round from all angles, is called a sphere. And what are some common examples other than football? Well, we have marbles, even they resemble a sphere, and our planet Earth. Our planet Earth is also round. That is why we say that our Earth has a spherical shape. So these things resemble a sphere. Now he also got this box of shuttlecock. Now what shape is this? Well, this shape can be represented by this. Now this again is a unique shape. What is so unique about it? Well, as you can see, this face here is circular. At the bottom again it is circular. And then we have this curved face here, which joins these two circles. So this again is a unique shape. What do we call this shape? It's called a cylinder. So this shape is called cylinder. And this particular box of shuttlecock resembles a cylinder. As you know, this type of box has one circular face here, one circular face at the bottom, and then a curved face here, right, which joins these two circular faces. And so this has a cylindrical shape. And what are some common examples of cylindrical shape? Well, we have this battery, which again has cylindrical shape. Then we have this soft drink can, we have this deodorant can, and also a box of Pringles. All these are examples of cylindrical shape. Now let's come to this particular shape. So can you identify which shape is it? What do you think? Well, if you notice, as you can see, all the faces are square. So all the faces are of same size and they are square, and that's why this is a cube. So what do we call this shape? Well, this is a cube. So when you see different things around you, all of them have a unique shape, and we have a name for all these shapes. So when I talk about the birthday hat, what shape is it? Well, it resembles a cone. What about this book? Well, this book resembles a cuboid. And what about our planet Earth? It's round and it resembles a sphere. What about this box of Pringles? Well, this resembles a cylinder. And this ice cube, well, as the name suggests, this resembles a cube. So today we have learnt about some new shapes, and most of the things which we see around us can be resembled to one of these shapes. Either they look like a cube or a cylinder, a cuboid, a sphere, or a cone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all.
you also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.